Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make grid lines for drawing. This technique is a fantastic way to improve accuracy and proportion in your artwork. We'll cover everything from setting up your reference to transferring it to your drawing surface. You'll learn to break down complex images into simple, manageable squares, making the drawing process much less intimidating. It's a foundational skill for many artists. First, let's prepare your reference image. Take your ruler and pencil, then carefully measure and mark equal intervals along all 4 sides. For instance, you could make marks every 1 inch or every 2 centimeters. Once marked, connect these points with light, straight lines, creating a grid of perfect squares over your entire image. This visual framework will be your guide for the next steps. Next, transfer that same grid onto your drawing paper. If you're drawing at the same size, use identical measurements for your squares. However, if you're scaling up or down, adjust the square dimensions proportionally. For example, if your reference has 1-inch squares and you want to double the size, make your drawing paper squares 2 inches. Use a very light pencil, like a 2H, for these lines. With both grids in place, you can now begin drawing. Focus on one square at a time, carefully observing the shapes and lines within that specific cell on your reference image. Transfer those elements to the corresponding square on your drawing paper. This method helps you break down complex forms into manageable parts. Once your drawing is finished, gently erase all the grid lines, revealing your accurate artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.